This 2021 Newmar New Aire 3543 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Suri Decor, Sable Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, TV, leveling jacks, TV antenna, awning, self-contained, stove top burner, slide-out, air conditioning, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar New Aire 3543 is built on a Freightliner XC chassis and is powered by a Cummins 8.9L engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.